Hello, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where we make Amazon affiliate marketing easy and exciting in this series of videos. Today, we are talking about the top 5 niches on Amazon that can supercharge your affiliate success. And I did some series of videos before how to open Amazon affiliate, how to open an account on Amazon program affiliate program. It's Amazon Associate easily. You can just click and search for it, open and sign up. If you don't know how to do that step-by-step guide, I will leave the video in the description. Now you may be wondering why this niche is. So you might be hearing everywhere you have to choose a niche. If you are starting affiliate, you have to choose a niche. If you are starting UGC, you have to choose a niche. If you are starting dropshipping, you have to choose a niche. So it's like whatever business, online business you are starting, you have to choose a niche because if you are a beginner, you have to focus on one thing till you have some experience, till you learn something, till you know how to organize everything, and you have to stay updated with the niche. So this is for the beginners. Well, it's simple. In the niches, they are the hotspots, like the areas where people are always looking for great product. Wherever you are a pro just starting, this niches offers ton of opportunities. So stick around as we break down to the secrets. And feel free to ask anything in the comments if you didn't understand something. Now let's start. I opened this account as an example with you guys to work with you on this series and to see. So yesterday I just starting and I posted some videos. I choose a random product. Like I didn't do that much research. I just go to TikTok and like you see here, you will read. TikTok made me buy it. I found a portable machine, washing machine, and I downloaded. I didn't even know that it's going viral. I found out that it's solving a problem, and I start promoting that on Instagram and Pinterest only, not even on TikTok on any other platform, just two platforms, Pinterest and Instagram. I created Linktree and I started posting on Instagram so I can add another product if I want to today and do another thing to see what this is going on. So now you may be wondering what is those niches. Like you see here, this product is belong to one of those niches, which is home products. So home products is home or kitchen product, home decor. Often you can use this niche because it's going viral on Pinterest. If you use this niche on Pinterest, make sure that look at here, people, you're gonna get some views and some clicks. So it's the first yet day. It just took me 10 minutes to post these with the link in some descriptions from ChatGPT to post on here. And look at this. And I also did the same on Instagram. So I can use Pinterest for skincare and personal care in some home product. And I can use Instagram for technology product in home product also, whatever I want. But you have to choose one niche if you are if you are a beginner and just starting. And now let me tell you the other niches so you can do your market research. So these 5 niches, we have health and wellness, technology, we have home and kitchen product, for example, we have beauty, personal care, and we have outdoor and fitness. You can choose between those niches because it's always you're gonna find that those niches are always between the top 10 niches every year. Now if I go to Google and I just clicked the top niches on Amazon affiliate marketing or just affiliate marketing, you will find out those niches between the top. So also technology, for example, on Amazon has higher commissions um, than home product, and you choose the niche you want. For example, don't just base on the commissions. You can base on the like the niche that you know more about or the niche that you want to work on. So once you choose the niche, you have to choose to find the winning product and not to choose. And to find winning product, there is a lot of methods. For example, this is just one of like a bunch of methods. TikTok made me buy it. You go and search for this, and you will find videos that give you the trending product right now, and you will find that this videos has a lot of views, and you can use these videos to you can watch them and go to comments, explore the comments, and you will find out if people are interested in those products. Are they asking where can I get this product from, or this, and take the name of the product, tap it only here, and you will find out if videos about that product is going viral. And see, you have this is called social media trends. So social media platforms for emerged trends and discussions. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok can be valuable searches for identifying popular product if you want to. So another method you have like e-commerce platform. So platform like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon has sections showcasing trending and popular product. You can explore these sections for inspiration if you want to. Also, you have market research, which is analyze current market trends and identify product that are in high demand. And you can use tools like Google Trends, social media insights, or e-commerce platform, like I said, the spot rising trends. Now, let's say you want to use this, just scroll down. You will find a lot of videos about trending products, and you can just choose one. I can go to comments and see if people are interested in that product. Are those videos leading to traffic to the link? Because you will find out that if you go and search for the specific product here, you will find out that a lot of people here are just affiliate marketers too, or dropshippers, or whatever. Also, you will find out that people are choosing the niche wherever their online business is, wherever you are a UGC creator, wherever you are a dropshipper, wherever you do. Choosing the niche is very important before choosing the winning product. Now you choose the niche, you choose the winning product. All you need to do is go to your Amazon and search for the product. You will come here and get the link. Now all you need to do is download those videos without the watermark on TikTok, download some high quality pictures on Pinterest, go edit them and start posting them on your social media accounts with the link on your bio. And this is it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. If this video was helpful even a little bit, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.